Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our spring update. This is the first day of April and we have some beautiful weather going on out there, and exciting to show a lot of this new inventory that I have coming up in Milpitas and locally. So a couple things I'm going to share with you is this great article in yesterday's San Jose Mercury News, the top headlines: Bay Area home sales sizzling. Talks about the median price of a single-family home is up 22.6% over last year. And that's certainly what I've been reporting. I like to give every month the update and to the median single-family home price in Milpitas. And so I would concur with that. And that's because of the multiple offers, the pent-up demand, and the low inventory we've had. So it's a perfect storm. If you're thinking about getting your home ready and selling this year, you couldn't be picking a better time to do that. So let's talk about a great sale that I had. Well, two last week. I sold the 1027 Matterhorn Court in Milpitas, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Senate Elementary School. That listed at $1,298,000, and we were able to get a little bit more for the price. We're pending at $1,320,000. And by the way, that's a home that we opted not to do any remodeling in. The kitchen and baths were, well, one of the bathrooms was remodeled, but the other bathroom was original. Kitchen was pretty much the original, but it didn't deter the buyer from wanting to go in and do what they wanted to do to that property. And then 289 Autry Street in Milpitas, that's pending. Sold that on Thursday. The list price is $1,498,888. We got multiple offers, and I'm happy to post the price of $1,650,000. This home was completely redone. The seller had lived in there 2 years. They're being transferred to Indiana. And when he bought it, he and his wife, it was already completely done. So the remodeling was pretty fresh on that. But it's a small home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little under 1,100 square feet, 1-car enclosed garage. It did have parking on the other side of the house with an EV charger for parking. So it presented well. If you look at my videos, we went ahead and staged that up. The seller was living there, but we decluttered the home a lot, added some nice touches to it, and they were very pleased with how we presented their home and brought them a great final sales price on that one. So that's exciting. Then 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose, 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse. It is 1,500 square feet. That's closing at $980,000. The comps were showing about $900,000. So you can see that the market is really taken off, and seller is very excited to close that one up. That should close next week. And then getting the keys hopefully this week to 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Barrios area. It's about 1,577 square feet, but it's got an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit on the back of the property for additional, like a rental or in-laws quarters or teenagers, wherever you want to use that for. So that's going to be exciting. I haven't set the price on that. I'll be viewing that this week. We'll be deciding what we need to do to prep it and get it ready, and then get that on the market. And then I've got 42554 Charleston Way in Fremont coming up. Got the keys for that. We're going to be cleaning that, staging that up. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,429 square feet. Price point $1,398,888. Tune in next week. I'll have the open house posted for you to be able to come in and see that property. And then last but not least, we're getting ready to work on 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. It's a Hillcrest home, about 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,150 square feet. It's got the bedroom and bathroom downstairs. It's a 3-car garage. Really, really nice property. We're just going to do some landscaping, painting inside and outside, freshen up the floors, new laminate floors, and clean that and stage that, and that should be great. Probably price point around 2.3 on that going out. And then one more property that I just listed in Parktown. 1679 Everglades Drive. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a huge expanded kitchen, beautiful, beautiful kitchen island, all been upgraded, and they've added more square footage to that home, the family room area. So it's almost near 1,600 square feet, just a beautiful turnkey property. They are moving to a new home in Tracy, which will not be ready yet until November, December. So meeting my stager there tomorrow, and we're going to go through the home, decide what needs to be done, and then getting that property ready for the market probably in about 2 or 3 months. And then the price point on that will be $1,598,888. That is the Sinnott Elementary School, by the way, which is the best school in Milpitas. So I'm busy, but I'd love to help you. Give me a call, 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.